Hey guys, I got new Nerf guns. I didn't just the package, guys. So I'm gonna show you right now. Start with the lights in your face. Here it is, guys. It's pretty no sparkly light. Shows where you're gonna aim and stuff. Yeah, guys, this is no problem. I'm just gonna put this thing. I'm gonna fix it up and.